One of the biggest challenges is really just keeping track of it, keeping current with employees that are new, employees that move from location, requirements that frequently change. Those are both internal and external. So how do you kind of keep track of it and not, what you'd like is as many people as possible to see what the current state of things are. And you can do that with spreadsheets like we were talking about, but there have to be better ways.
My name is Chloe Ann Durham. I'm the North America Vice President for Quality, Safety, and Environment for Coca-Cola Company. Say over the last 3 years, because there's such a need for bringing in good people, and often they're short-staffed. So, and to be able to manage the skills management system now, you have to have a lot of quantifiable data for a single person, because they may work over multiple lines, where it used to be very isolated. If you got hired for one job, that's the only job you did. So being able to have something that's really easy to use and being able to identify all the opportunities that that employee could offer the business, rather than just knowing that they're assigned to one piece of equipment. So having something that's ready at their fingertips, you don't have to go into an HR portal, download and verify. It's something that really is useful.
My name is Nicholas Ardalis. I work for Johnson & Johnson's Robotic and Digital Solutions division, and I am a Senior Manufacturing Engineering Manager. And one of the challenging aspects of that is it's a manual process to build a product, which manual processes have a lot of variability. It's a lot of dexterity-based or skill-based processes. So sometimes you have a lot of operators, maybe 10, 15 different operators doing different parts of the device, and they don't all build it the same way. So I think one of the biggest challenges is standardizing the process.
I think most importantly, your solutions need to be visible to as many people as possible, and they need to kind of look the same to as many people as possible.
First, it's simple, it's visual, it's easy to adopt, and we are targeting people from line team. So what we really need to have is something that is simple, easy to adopt, and easy to use. That's my opinion.